If you need to change your phone number on Temu, follow these simple steps to update your account information. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Personal Information or Account Information and tap on it to view your current details. Step 4. Edit Phone Number. Find the section that displays your current phone number. Tap on the edit icon or option next to it to enter your new phone number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the update, so follow any additional prompts to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on Temu will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for assistance.